Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage. Start by powering off your Dell Latitude 3410 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the battery compartment. You will notice several screws securing the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Be sure to note which screws go where, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel off, exposing the internal components of the laptop. Now, focus on the battery. The battery is typically secured with additional screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any internal components. If you encounter any difficulty, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you understand the issue better. With the screws removed, you can now disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Gently pull the battery connector away from its socket. Now, take the new battery and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure it is firmly seated in place to avoid any power issues. Before securing the new battery, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling. After cleaning, place the new battery back into its compartment and secure it with the screws you previously removed. If you're unsure about performing this task, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience, making it easier for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Next, position the back panel back onto the laptop and reinsert the screws to secure it. Ensure all screws are tightened appropriately, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can cause damage. Once the back panel is secured, flip the laptop back over and reconnect it to the power source. Power on your Dell Latitude 3410 and check to see if the new battery is recognized. You can do this by accessing the battery settings in your operating system. If you experience any issues or if the battery is not recognized, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the cost involved before proceeding with any further service. Your laptop should now be running smoothly with the new battery installed. Regular maintenance, including battery replacement, can help extend the life of your device and improve its performance. If you ever feel uncomfortable performing these tasks, remember that there are options available, including professional help without any obligation. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.